you pass your fan coil up through that hole, as you'll see in a second. So just grab a couple of mates, offer them a couple of beers and say, look, help me get this fan coil in the roof, and my shout. Generally need 3 guys, sometimes 4 if you're a bit unsure. Have one person up in the roof. Also put a little bit of timber on one edge of the gyprock so that you can lean the fan coil onto it to help support the weight. So that guy up there is pulling it up right now. If you have a look in a second, they're going to lean it on a bit of timber that we put up there as a fulcrum. See, just to the right, we laid a bit of timber just there, then we just slide the fan coil into the roof. Now we're cutting out our outlets. Once again, you can see him supporting the actual gyprock so that it doesn't fall and rip your paper on your gyprock. Okay, so that's your hole cut. Then you feed your duct up, all of your ducts for all of your outlets, put them all up into the ceiling so that you can join them all together onto that major fitting that I showed you earlier. They will all come back to one central point. Here's the MDO grill. We've shown you these because they are a little bit trickier to install than the round ones. Pop it in the hole. Grab your little push-in clips, little white ones, and you push them in and they push down hard against the gyprock, which holds the grill up into the ceiling. That's the little clip that pushes hard up. Just use your thumb, push it in. Put your little square inserts in there. And they can direct the air where you would like them to go.